Hey guys, many iPhone users reporting that Safari not saving cookies in iPhone iOS 17. So what is the fix? So guys, just see how to fix this issue. So just go to settings and now just try to find Safari. Just try to find Safari. So yeah, you can see over here, just tap on it. And now guys, just slide come down and you can just see over here at the bottom that just click on that once. And now guys, you can see over here block all cookies. Just let it be there. If it is in your case it enable, just go for disable guys, because if you guys enable this, see, are you sure you want to block all cookies? Websites may not work if you do this. It will remove existing cookies and website data. So guys, if it is in your case it got enabled, just go for disable guys, and just go and check if your issue is resolved or not. If it is not resolved, then this time you will do, just come to back, and now guys you can just see over here the prevent cross-site tracking. Just go for disable it, and again you go and check if your issue is resolved or not. If it is not resolved, then do one thing, you just go and restart your iPhone guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.